So we're looking at the login screen on the iNaturalist app. It may look slightly different if you haven't logged into the app before, but you have two choices here, either sign up or log in. I'm going to click on sign up, and you can enter a username and a password for your account. The password should be something that you can share with students. The username should be something that reflects your school identity, like the name of your school or class or something like that. You'll want to tick off all the boxes to allow iNaturalist to use your data. For our purposes, I'm going to go log in. So if you already have an account, you can use this screen. You can enter your username and your password. This is great if you've participated in Lizards on the Loose before. You can enter your old account, and then you can see all of the observations from past years and really sort of build up a presence over time. So I've now entered my username and my password, and I'll go ahead and click login. And when I get to my initial page, it says I have no observations. We'll cover how to make those in the next video. What to do for now is to go down to the lower right and click on projects, which I'll do. And this brings up a page that allows you to search for projects. So I'm going to go ahead and search for lizards on the... And we can see that as I do that, we have Lizards on the Loose 2022. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And then we have a little bit of information here if we click on the About tab. But the key button to press here is Join. And when you do that, you will have joined the Lizards on the Loose project, and you'll be ready to contribute observations, which we'll cover in the next video.